Welcome to Disturbing Kreationz. And we're here today to teach you about a new skill. I'm going to be doing basic mechanic skills, intermediate mechanic skills, and even expert mechanic skills. Depending on your level, I've got a playlist for each. So I got a couple of these lights here all together. I'm glad that we have this, the check engine light, this one that I'm making blink. That's for your engine. But this one here that I'm making blink now, that one by itself means that your tire pressure is low. So that is a tire, picture of a tire with see little tread on the bottom. And what that is the tire's bulging out because the pressure is low, and there's a little exclamation point on there saying, hey, you need to do something right now. So when you see this little light, what you're gonna do is you're gonna have to pull over or get to a gas station or something and put air in your tire. And I'm gonna show you where to check the air pressure, and I'm gonna show you how to put the air in your tire and monitor it for this little light to go out.